Hi guys, this is your boy Paris and you're watching my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review IPL hair removal device since I had small hairs on my ears which I have shaved already, and now I'm going to open the IPL hair removal and I'm going to see what are the contents inside and how to use it. I will show you each and everything. Stay with me and I'm going to show you. So this is the box, IPL hair removal device. First of all, we will open it and we will see what are the contents inside. So once we open it, we will find this device inside, which is packed in this, and you can remove and you can see the device. I think this is the button to turn it off, on and off. This is to adjust the laser and its intensity, and then there's charger, and the other contents inside are, this is to shave the hairs wherever you have hairs you want to remove, and the glasses to protect your eyes from the flash. And there's a small booklet as well, as you can see this one. All the details about how to use and instruction are mentioned on this booklet. So I will tell you, first of all, you need to you can see I have plugged in the charger already. Now I will put the charger in the device. The device is flashing, you can see it is off. I will press this button for a few seconds to turn it on. It is on now. It has maximum strength of 5, which I will show you. You can press this button 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can increase and decrease the intensity by this button, and if you want to do it automatically, you press this button for a few seconds, which is like maximum 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, it is automatic. Now you can see this sign of automatic. After that, what you can do, you can just place it on your, as you have seen the flash already. I will do it once again. So this is how this IPL hair removal device works. It is safe and it is easy to use as well. I have used it already. Since I've told you that I had little bit hairs on my ears, I wanted to remove them because it doesn't look good at all, especially for the man. So I've done it. Today was the first day. I will use it for a few more weeks and I will come back again to you with the reviews that how it works and how it is, if everything is working very well or not. But since I have read the reviews about this, everything is perfectly fine. It doesn't hurt at all. Honestly speaking, I was kind of scared, but it doesn't hurt at all. It is very safe to use. Stay tuned with me. Watch my other videos. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Bye. God bless you.